worried about dry and rough skin during winters? Well, then it's time to put your worries to rest, as I'm going to show you a winter body care routine. But as always, before we begin, subscribe to our BeBeautiful channel and ring the bell icon for further notifications. Winter doesn't just dry out our faces, our bodies feel it too. Gotta take care of both. Let me walk you through my in-shower and post-shower routines. Alright, let's dive into my first step, which is to dry brush my body. This technique not only serves as a skin exfoliator but also enhances circulation and battles cellulite. Once I've got the dry brushing done, it's time to amp it up with a body scrub. It's like a double exfoliation party. Dry brushing gets the dead skin cells all loosened up and the scrub swoops in to kick it out. So the scrub I like to use is the Love Beauty and Planet Turmeric and Moringa Body Scrub, with turmeric a powerhouse antioxidant. It works wonders in detanning and giving a radiant glow. And then there's Moringa too, known for its nice smell, but also it does very good things for your skin, making it look youthful because of the essential vitamins it has. Once I'm done with the scrub, it's time for my trusty body wash. I steer clear of regular soap. It's a major moisture sucker for my skin. And you know how it is in winter. Skin's already feeling dry, so using soap just kicks it up a notch on the aggravation scale. I'm a fan of the Love Beauty and Planet Coffee and Warm Vanilla Sulfate-Free Body Wash. Packed with coffee, a natural energizer that not only smells amazing but also perks up my senses. It goes the extra mile by deeply moisturizing the skin, and the natural vanilla extracts leaves a long-lasting fragrance. After the shower, it's time to give my face a dose of hydration with the Simple Water Boost Hydrating Gel Cream. This moisturizer is a lightweight champ, not greasy at all, and it dives right into your skin without causing any pore clogging drama. Wondering what's in it? Well, it's loaded with 11% hydrating actives that do wonders for your skin's natural moisture. And that's not all. There's vitamin E that makes the skin softer, smoother, and radiantly healthy. But hold on, the body needs some hydration love too. And for that, I'm using the Love Beauty and Planet Muru Muru Butter and Rose Aroma Body Lotion. It's infused with 100% coconut oil, renowned for its hydrating wonders. It truly gives you that woogly woogly whoosh feeling. It's a twofold delight with Muru Muru Butter and Rose Aroma for that delightful floral treat. Alongside my regular use of body lotion, I've introduced a hand cream into my routine. I'm sure you felt it too. During winter, hands tend to get rough and uncomfortable. That's why I recently picked up the Love Beauty and Planet Coconut and Mimosa Flower Hand Cream. It's got organic coconut water for a hydration boost and Moroccan mimosa flower for that extra refreshing tropical vibe. My hands are loving it. Time to treat my lips. First up, the Lakme Lip Love Lip Scrub. It's got jojoba oil and hyaluronic acid, and these tiny exfoliating crystals do wonders, making my lips look smoother, irresistibly soft and well hydrated. Then comes the Lakme Lip Love Lip Mask, a real hero. With shea butter and jojoba oil, it's all about intense hydration. This mask locks in moisture, fixes up my lips and leaves them feeling soft and smooth. Just what my lips needed. Wrapping up my beauty routine with a crucial step, sunscreen. It's not just about shielding my skin from the sun, it also helps counter the harsh effects of chilly winds and low temperatures that can lead to dryness and damage. My go-to is the Pond's Serum Boost Sunscreen Cream with SPF 55. It's not just a sunscreen, it packs the power of niacinamide serum, blocking out 97% of sun rays. This is just the beginning. It also works on fading dark patches and tan, leaving my skin looking brighter and glowing. So guys, I hope you liked this video on winter beauty routine. If you're interested in any of the products I featured, you can find the purchase links in the description box below. It's time for me to sign off, but before I go, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it, and hit the subscribe button on our BeBeautiful channel. Also ring that bell icon to stay in loop with all our newest videos. Bye!